Welcome back to Cars Driviti, the ultimate channel for in-depth car comparisons and reviews. Today we have an exciting showdown between two stunning vehicles, the 2025 Western and the 2025 Karma. We'll be diving into everything from exterior design and color options to interior features, seating, infotainment, and cutting-edge technology. So buckle up and let's get started. Exterior design. First up, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 Western boasts a bold and aggressive stance, with sharp lines and an aerodynamic silhouette. Its front fascia features a distinctive grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic look. The Western offers a variety of color options, including metallic silver, midnight blue, and racing red, allowing you to customize your ride to match your style. On the other hand, the 2025 Karma takes a more elegant approach with its design. It has a smooth, flowing body with a low, wide stance that exudes sophistication. The Karma's front end is characterized by its signature butterfly grille and slender LED headlights. When it comes to color options, the Karma doesn't disappoint, offering choices like pearl white, deep black, and ocean blue. Interior features. Stepping inside the 2025 Western, you'll find a cabin designed for comfort and luxury. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with options for heated and ventilated functions. The front seats are also equipped with power-adjustable settings and memory functions, ensuring a perfect fit for every driver. The Western offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a great choice for long drives. The 2025 Karma, meanwhile, offers a more intimate and luxurious interior. The seats are covered in fine Napa leather and come with both heating and cooling options. The front seats are power adjustable with massage functions, providing the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. The Karma's cabin is meticulously crafted, with attention to detail evident in every stitch and finish. Conclusion. WAC. Both the 2025 Western and the 2025 Karma offer exceptional features and luxurious experiences, each with its own unique flair. Whether you prefer the bold and aggressive design of the Western or the elegant and sophisticated look of the Karma, you're sure to find a vehicle that suits your style and needs. With top-notch interior comfort, advanced infotainment systems, and a range of color options, these two cars are at the forefront of automotive innovation. Thanks for joining us on this detailed comparison of the 2025 Western and the 2025 Karma. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cars Driviti for more in-depth car reviews and comparisons. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Drive safe and see you next time.